Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a strip on Wix. So let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can just locate the strip on our Wix website editor. So for me, this is a strip that I have added. When we click on that, we can see that this is a strip. So what we can do in order to delete it is to just click on this specific strip that we have added. And then in here, you can change the background and anything right here. But what you can do is you can click on these three dots in order to open the more action. Now, just click on this delete button right here. Or you can also delete that by clicking on the delete button on your keyboard. So let's try to delete it. And then as you can see, it has been deleted on our website right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete a strip on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!